Okay, so hi team, recording has been started. So now let's build the next row. Okay, so next row as per the mockup is this. We need to have a background image, and then there should be a form on top of it, right? And some text on top of it. So to make this header, we have something in Bootstrap called Jumbotron, right? Let's see this Jumbotron. So I need to check, is it there now in the latest Bootstrap or not? I 100% sure it should be there, but if it's not there, then we'll create it. Okay, in the previous version of Bootstrap it used to be. So let's see, can we do something else? Pagination progress pin help extend about, no, utility vertical alignment float flex display color background. Okay, it's a background color basically. Components may, let's see the components one by one. Alert, no. Badges, no. I need card is there, yes, card is there. Good, will, I mean, this is going to be useful for us. Then do we have carousel has the big images. Okay. Mm-hmm. और क्या करें इसमें? ओके, क्लोज बटन, कोलैप्स, लिस्ट, मॉडल, नेव बार, पेजिनेशन नहीं, प्रोग्रेस बार नो, स्क्रॉल्पसी देखते हैं इसमें हम। यूटिलिटी क्लास में पोजीशन कलर नो. Okay, so we don't have the Jumbotron, no problem. Let's try to make something with card.
तो
So
जम्बो ट्रेन तो मैंने यूज करा था लास्ट क्लास में।
हाँ, बट अभी इस वर्जन में नहीं है ना, एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं. इट्स ओके, they have not given on their site, so what we do is let's try and see do we have or not. Okay, वो कैसे बता रहेगा? Let's see. So I say class row, again one more row, then again I need one row with entire full column. So I say class call 12, और उसके अंदर I will add one div, say class gum. Do we have? Yes, Jumbotron, we have Jumbotron. So what I do is, यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल नहीं दिया हुआ, बट दे स्टिल हैव द सपोर्ट फॉर जम्बोट्रन. सो आई से GUMBO जम्बोट्रन. Jumbotron. So Jumbotron in Bootstrap, it's a very cool thing basically, when you can do wonders with it in terms of making headers. If you just need to have a static header, it's a ready-made thing and you can do it immediately. Yeah, this is something like this. So this is fluid Jumbotron. So what we do is we'll use this class and see how it works, right? So मैं ऐसे ही एक class use कर लेता हूँ जिसमें I will be having Jumbotron fluid, correct? I'm having fluid Jumbotron on some text, highlighting tag, and then a paragraph. Let's see will this work or not. सबसे पहले, and then we add image into it, which Garima has given to us. Yeah, so it's there. Now let's try to add image to it. Okay, so to add image to it, what I will do is to this Jumbotron itself, I add style. I say background URL. Do we have background URL? Okay, we have background and then I say URL, correct? And the URL I will put dot slash assets images, and let's see what Garima has given to us. What is the file name basically? Sorry, yes, image name basically. Not this. Assets images. Which one is that? Garima, which one is this? Let's check.
So
Garima,
picture one, pick
this one.
one.
This image. Let's see. Picture one. This one, right? Pick one. Both are same. Either I take pick one or I say pick one PNG.
So there is
Let's
already PNG format.
let's use PNG. Okay. So this is the file name .png. Let me use this one. So here I say pick one PNG. Perfect. Let's see by adding this image how it is going to look like. Okay, it has added, but since the height we have not given it, I mean, we have not given the proper height, so it is not working the way we wanted. But no worries, we can always alter. Now, yeah, this is the background. Let me just try. If I give height as 300, how it is going to look like? 300 pixel. Beautiful. If I increase it and say 500, then how? Okay. So point is, it's not about the height. Your image is very huge. Okay. So if image is huge, if first of all, I still doubt, is it the right image which I copied or not? I don't think so. See, Garima, here it is of different color, correct? And
Yes, sir.
here it is of different one. Why? Why your image is not coming? The hand symbol is not coming. What happened? Where did we go wrong? Assets.
मे बी
Images.
जम्बोट्रन ऑलरेडी एक कलर लेता है तो यदि हम केवल जम्बोट्रन यूज करते हैं देन वो कलर ले लेती है
No,
ऑटोमेटिकली।
no. Who told you? So
मैंने यूज किया था तो ऑटोमेटिकली उसमें कलर आ रही थी
it's a PNG.
तो
It's PNG. It's image which I've set. Jumbotan will how Jumbotan. I mean, Jumbotan is simple class. How class can take a color of an image? हमारी image ठीक से set नहीं हो रही है. Okay, wait. Let's say 1000 pixel, and let's say width. Let's say width 1000 pixel. See, it is coming, but since the image is huge, its height is huge, this much big. That's why it is giving like this. Okay, so I have a better way of this one. What I do is 1 minute. What okay. Let's see what we want. We want that image should fit correct in the container, right? That is what we wanted,
यस
correct? So let me search something like uh, image fit into container CSS. You will find so many CSS which will give you the option, okay, try this, try this, try this, try this, correct? And you can apply as per that.
So we need to crop the image.
Yes, we may need to crop the image also, but let me try with the CSS. Can we handle it through CSS? Let me just check. if I say height as at least 400 pixel, will it work? And there's one more CSS called no repeat. Let me just check that as well. Else we will, yes, we will cut the image. Okay, let's see now. Hmm, 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 hmm. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. So I will definitely, what I do is I'll crop from the top like this, okay, and from the bottom also somewhere like this. This will leave it. And then I say done and I say save. Close this. Yes, I wanted to save. Save, save, save. Close. Refresh. Yeah, so we say pick one only. Yes, pick one dot png. And then I say height as 400 pixel and width as say 1000 pixel, and then I say no no repeat background, no repeat background image CSS. I'm doing. Right. So I would say with this we undo this. PNG, PNG. Yes, I'm sure. Wanted to do that. And now what I will do is I will apply this. Right. This is one, and let's see how it is going to look like. And this I need to add extra to make it a cover basically. And then I say height should be 500 pixel. Correct. Now it's look good. What else? What else? What else? Width. WIDDH width 100%. What if I put height as 100%? Height 100%. Okay. No. Let height be like this. Okay. Now it's good. So what we did is we said our image should be no repeat, put it in the center and make it fixed. Okay. So that it will not move here and there. And then on top we say background size is should be as cover. So if I change background size to cover, from cover to contains, correct, so it will behave like that: contains, cover, right, revert and set. If I say contains means whatever width it has, it will take the same. So if I wanted to go for end to end, I may need to increase the width of it. See, okay, so better I would say. I'm still not satisfied with the solution. I need to apply something else. Okay, but as of now, let's keep it like this. Okay, so with this styling, we can make our header. Is it good? Did you understand? Is it making sense? Can we continue? Should be good. I mean, this is good enough for as of now, right?
Yes, sir.
What do you say, team? So
Yes, sir.
since Jumboton styling is in here in app.component, so I'm putting over here only. So I'm giving it like banner. I'm making a banner class and putting the styles into banner class. Okay, and then what I'm doing is I'm removing this inline style from here and adding a banner class here. Did you understand this part or no? I removed the inline style and created a class for it. Is it clear to you or no? Please tell me, team. Hello. Yes, no, anything, team. Harshit, Garima, Shubham, Ravindra. Is it clear to you? I
Yes.
mean, are you able to understand what I'm doing or no? Ravindra, Shubham, Garima, Harshit. Is my voice audible?
Tell
Hello.
us again, sir, please.
So, did you understand what I did or no?
No, sir.
So then you should speak up, no? Isn't it? Guys, are you there or not? Are you
Yes, sir.
listening or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Yes,
then
sir.
ask me question, if you don't understand. I made some inline style. Yes or no? So this
Yes, sir.
inline
Yes,
style, what
sir.
I did is instead of this inline style, correct? What I've done is I took this inline style and put it inside a class, banner class. I created a class called banner, and this banner class I added in the HTML. Here, you got my point or not? I have
Got it.
created a custom class, style class, and added my styles into that class, and I'm using that class in the HTML. Did you get this point or not? आप लोगों को क्लास कॉन्सेप्ट पता है ना सीएसएस में? बेसिक है क्लास कॉन्सेप्ट कि क्लास बनाते हैं सीएसएस में,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
करेक्ट?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
वही किया ना. This is exactly what I did. I made a class, added CSS properties, करेक्ट? जैसे बैकग्राउंड कलर, बैकग्राउंड हो गया, बैकग्राउंड साइज हो गया, हाइट हो गया. I added these styles,
Yes,
correct,
sir.
in
Yes,
the
sir.
class, and then use this banner class in the HTML. आप लोग भी ऐसे ही करते हो? This is what you also do, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if you see this, you have something to write at the left hand side, and you need to have a form at right hand side. Okay, let's see, let's review Garima's page. And Garima, I mean, this is purple and what you're given is sea green. Okay, so you have to give the latest images. So we have a little form over here. So Garima, what is this form? What this form is for? It's an emergency case. What are these text boxes? What we're going to put in this? So is this for the login or this is for the registration?
Registration.
Because if you say appointment, make an appointment, even that also you need to have a registered user, correct?
Yes, sir.
So if you wanted to have a registered user, then registration page would be a little big, right? Correct?
Yes. Yes,
There
sir.
are three dots below the banner. That one is the carousel.
It is carousel basically. So we'll add the carousel later, not now. And I'm not sure do we need carousel or not. So I need to check. Okay. So because we are directly,
If
working on the
carousel is
project,
moving, then this
speak little louder.
registration
Showing your
form.
voice is not audible.
Sir, if carousel is moving, then there is any effect on form?
That is why I said, Shubham, I'm not sure about the carousel. I'm not sure that will I take the carousel or not. Correct? So
Yes.
since we are directly working on the project, I am not sure that there is a requirement of carousel or okay. So yes, you are right. If we have a form, that definitely then we will have the carousel. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So, why we are making the user to enter all their details? Instead of this, we can have their Aadhaar number and automatically
Shubham,
that.
can you go on mute, please? Yeah, go ahead, Harshit.
Sir, I was thinking that instead of taking the details of the user directly by the at the client's end,
Mm-hmm.
we can do one thing. We can have their Aadhaar number,
Mm-hmm.
and from that Aadhaar number, we can retrieve all those details, and they just need to enter their mobile number and
Do we
for the
have
confirmation.
understood? Do we have we need to
Uh,
attach Aadhaar API. So do you have the Aadhaar API where we, let's say, pass the Aadhaar number, sorry, and we get the whole information? Wait.
So at the end, actually, we are on a line to deliver this project to the government itself, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I guess
Correct.
it could be an extendable thing to
I
us.
completely understand what you're saying, but you think from this also, no, like we at least we need API to test the feature, correct?
Yes, sir.
So for that, some API has to be there. No, it give you the Aadhaar detail. Let's search API to get Aadhaar information, Aadhaar details, API to get Aadhaar details. How to get Aadhaar card API? Let's see this one. And as of now, we are making mock-ups, so we need to think that as well. Aadhaar card loan online. No, not this. Let's see. Aadhaar authentication API. Okay, this is government's. Aadhaar integration, authentication, e-sign API, SDK. APIs are there, but we need to take this one. What do you call license? Getting started. Aadhaar API. So can you guys just check and let me know? So if the APIs are there and we can integrate it, then it's good.
So because otherwise the user have to fill, as you have said, that user have to submit all the long form before
How
registering
about
themselves in
how
the.
about how about only registering him with the bare minimum information?
Yes, sir.
For
That
example,
yes, sir, that we can do.
name, mobile
Hmm.
number, and say valid Aadhaar card.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Valid Aadhaar card. Or only basic information like name, correct? Name, email, but again, email it might not be there. So name and phone number, name, phone number, and password what you set, correct, and just log in. I mean, basic registration and just simply log in. What do you say?
Okay, sir.
So,
Sir,
tell me. So this is who? Ravindra, Shubham, or Harshil? Okay, so now I need a form basically. So I'll go to form control. And for having good forms, let me just take forms from here. Okay. So form control class. So what I do is I'll take a form. Wait, a ready-made form. Already there are ready-made forms here. So we'll take the forms. We'll take the forms like this. This is a good enough form. The form where I have form control. No, yeah, something like this. Form class, and then this should be. Mm-hmm. Okay. So what I do is I'll take form like this, copy, and now what we'll do is in the container I will say make a row. Okay, inside container make a row and divide the row into two columns, right? Say div with class call 6, and again make a div and say class call 6, right? And what I do is this much part I will put it to first half, correct, and this much information, form information, I'm going to put in second half. Here also it should be. So I'll say email is mandatory. Then after email, what I'm saying is email name, correct? Or first name I should say. If I say first name, basic information which the person can fill quickly. Okay, that is the information I'm talking about. First name, last name. What else? First name, last name. Then first name, last name, mobile. Correct him? Mobile. And
Yes, sir.
then mobile also should be text. Password we can say your mobile number is your password, right? And then when the person log in, we can immediately prompt to change the password, correct? So that the person will not get confused, or the person need not to remember his password. You getting my point? Team, you understood or not what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Do you see any flaw in this? This will take the necessary information from the user. At the same time, we will also, I mean, user will also not feel that he or she is filling, you know, more than the required information. Like this. Of course, I'm going to change this. So email, first name, last name, mobile, and then submit. Okay. Of course, this is not looking like the way Garima has designed. So it should be something like card should have all these text boxes and everything. So let's quickly add style to it and make it little presentable. So for that, in Bootstrap, we already have something called cards, right? Cards. So let's open card, and let's make a card like this. Okay, card body. So I'll go here, and now I put, and all these forms I'll take and put it into a card body. Correct. So now the card should give the white background to it. Let's see, will it happen or not? Yes, it is happening, and you know, it looks little okay. Let's make it a little more attractive. Like if you see, Garima has given some different gray shade to the text boxes, where of course in our text box it is not there. So let's do that, and let's put some padding also around the card. So how you can give the padding? So best way is, we already have some ready-made classes which you can apply. So if you see, card is like it's starting from extreme top, so which means from this column. So what I do is, I will add some class called padding top, or I can say padding p. If I say p2, so it will give padding across all side, left, right, bottom. So I say p2. Let's see, p2 will give 2 em padding, correct, across all these sides. See, let's make it from 2 to make it 4 or 5. 4. Let's see how much 4 will what 4 will do. Yeah, it's look nice. Okay, then yeah, so this text boxes, they should look grayish. So what I do is, now I say again, see, this is all Jumboton, right? This banner class. So what I do is, see this one, this is very good. Okay, so under banner, what I'm saying is, under banner, the input means these input tag. Okay, so when you're talking about the HTML tags, basically, then you don't need to put dot or hash. You put dot for class, hash for ID. But if you have not put dot, if you have not put hash, then your browser will understand that this is your inbuilt HTML tag, which it is. So input is the inbuilt HTML tag. So what I'm saying is, whenever you see input inside the banner, you can see I am putting inside banner. So this is CSS, nested CSS programming. Okay, so I'm giving you small dose of everything. Okay, so inside banner, I'm saying inside banner, if you find input, if you see HTML, yes, this is banner class, and inside banner you have input. So if you find input, what you're going to do, I'm saying the background color should be little darker, or I should say hash DC, no, BC, hash BC. It should be little darker gray. Let's see, will this apply or not? Yes, it is applying, but it is, as I said, it is darker. So I say again DC, that is little lighter. Save, and let's see again. Yeah, so it is looking, again, Garima, to be precise, I need this color shade. Garima,
Okay, sir. Okay.
I need this color shade. Okay, now you can see the text boxes are round corner, but what Garima has given is they are more rounded corner. So to make them more rounded corner, what I can do is, here in the input itself, I say border radius. Okay, border radius, I say 8 pixel. Let's see what 8 pixel will do. Will this 8 pixel give more? Yeah, see, this is more rounded corner. If I say, let's say 12, it'll be more, right? And if I say, let's say 16, or if I wanted to make oval, then I would say 50%. Best always works. Let's see, will it work here or not? I say 50%. Okay, so it should come like an oval shape. Yeah, see, it destroyed everything. So 50% is too much. Let's say 20%. Let's see what 20% will do. No, 10%. Ill. So what we do is we give 20 pixel and see will it work or not. Yeah. So this looks little nicer. Okay,
Yes, sir.
correct. But Garima, I still need, the way you have done. I still need these colors. I still see this is little more darker. Okay. So fluid jumbotan. Now the left hand side portion. Correct. What she have written. She has written best medical treatment for COVID-19 and some blah 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 text she has written. Correct. So you see our text is in the black color. So what most of the programmers or UI guys, make a mistake is they directly go here and change or put the color shade over here inline style. What I do is don't do like that. What you do is to apply class. There is already text class. Let's see, do we have or not text white or something like that? We have, yeah, text white. Correct. We already have text white. So let's see text white will work or not. Like this, if you don't have any color class, you can always go ahead and create your own class, color class, which we'll see later. No issues. So as of now, I say, what was the text? See, it came white. Correct, team. So what I'm trying to show you is how we can make use of the base classes, and on top of that, if those base classes are not good enough for us, how on top of it we can make use of, we can create our own custom class and apply. Okay. So the text is best medical treatment for COVID-19. I try the same thing. Medical treatment best medical treatment for COVID-19 for now. COVID-19 is in the different color. So what I can do is I can say span and say COVID-19 and I can give some